Hey, chef! It's the Chefy Meister! Hi, Chefy.
Hi, this is Lightning Lakes, and we are going on the Lightning Lake Trail along the chain links in Manning Park.
Chef is a professional explorer. Watch her take her professional strides, walking down the trail. She's a professional hiker. Wave to the camera, Chef. All right. I'm just going to do a panoramic view of the lake. It's just simply beautiful here. You can see the water. Just beautiful scenery.
Hi, this is a purple flower.
It's really purpley, isn't it, Chefy?
It's very beautiful.
It's a beautiful purple flower.
Zoom into it.
Okay, I zoomed it in right by your hand.
Lovely.
It's a beautiful purple flower.
Okay, out in the wild.
Chef, out in the wild. Thank you.
Okay, I wonder if these mushrooms are any good to eat. I better not try them because they might be poisonous. Magic mushrooms. Magic mushrooms. Unusual looking mushrooms. It's like a really big cluster of them. Here's another fascinating piece of fungus. It looks exactly like the fungus that the Chinese use in their food dishes. Their Buddhist feast is what they call it. Well, actually this type of fungus might be the wood fungus. The wood's ear fungus.